Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Hello fly babies, hello patrons, hello my lions living in our new strength. It's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Tuesday. Instead of a 3-layer cake today, we're eliminating the zones because our basic weekly plan is free day. And on free day, I don't make you do a zone. So we have our routines and our free day. So let's talk about our routines today. We have 5 as normal. 1 is our morning routine. If you don't know what that is, please go watch previous videos, or you can watch how to do the FlyLady system for newbies, which breaks everything down. If you haven't gotten it in your head yet, please make some notes and put that in the area that you're going to be doing your morning routine. You can also do that for the children's routines. If you are a patron on my Patreon channel, I've made a video just for you for morning routines and children's routines. It's all in one. It's nothing new, but it's in one place. You can always find it. Okay, second thing we're going to do, if you're staying at home, you're going to start your laundry and go through an inch of paper. Remember, we're not processing that paper. We're strictly separating it into stacks of to do, to file, and to shred or throw away. And then do that thing, throw it away or shred it. The to do and to file goes in your inbox for tomorrow, Wednesday, desk day. Okay, then later on you're going to make dinner. So that's it. If you're at home, you've just got to do your laundry and go through a little paper this morning besides getting yourself and your kids ready for the day. Then you're going to go through the rest of the day enjoying yourself. Maybe it's time to do your nails, anything you want to do. Nothing if you want to. And then make dinner though. Get your dinner ready, and after dinner we're going to have a family group thing where we do our after dinner routine, and then you do your before bed routine. We are really focusing on that the months in summer. So let's talk about it again. What is the before bed routine for you? The before bedroom routine for you, before bedtime routine for you, is make sure that you wash your face and get your makeup off and put on some moisturizer. Brush your hair and get the dirt out of it, and debris, just the smells and things out of it from the day. Brush your hair really well. Put your jewelry away. Take your shower or your bath if you don't do that in the morning. Put on your pajamas. Put your clothes away. Are they still clean? Hang them up to air. If they're dirty, put them in the laundry. Then hang up your towel, right? Make the bathroom look nice. So you've done that. Then look at your planner. Actually, the first thing you want to do is look at your planner, but you can look at it now. Look at your planner and see if you have anything planned for tomorrow, so you have the right clothes laid out for tomorrow and the right frame of mind for tomorrow, and knowing that you can plan your day so you'll be on time for that thing you might have to do tomorrow. From now on, try not to plan doctor's appointments, dentist appointments, or children's appointments on your off day, on your free day. This is your day not to have to do those things. But if you've done it, you've got a commitment, make sure you're there on time. Don't embarrass yourself by being late or forgetting about it altogether. The other thing you want to do is make sure that you get all the last minute things in the dishwasher and turn it on. Turn the dishwasher on right before you turn out the lights. Okay, and then the children's bed for before bed routines as well. So before bed routine for a child is simply take a bath, wash your hair, brush your teeth. Oh, did I tell you to brush your teeth? Brush your teeth and floss. Brush your teeth, wipe out the sink, hang up your towel, put on your pajamas, put your dirty clothes in the dirty clothes. Pick out a book and we'll read a story and go to bed. Before the before bed routine, however, you're going to do a clutter check, and you're also going to inspect what you expect. There's a difference. Clutter check is just that mindless mess that people leave that we're going to get picked up. Everybody's going to pick up their own. You're just going to point it out. And somebody might be pointing out yours. Don't feel embarrassed. Don't be ashamed. And don't take it personally. It's just who you are, and it's okay. Just pick it up. Show them how to do it too. Show them that you are not infallible. You don't want your children to have to live up to perfection. That's just unrealistic. All right, and then inspect what you expect is stuff like putting toys away, That is not mindless clutter. Putting toys away is part of the thing that you want them to do every day. Put their shoes in the closet, those kinds of things. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I want you to always remember that you are beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner, and always remember that you are beautiful.